In this quick video guide, we're going to see how we can generate music in Canva using AI music generators. So we can type just Canva AI music generator, but we can find also the generators in the apps in Canva, so we can use more than one. So if we go here with the, let's say, official AI generator, you can see it's called SoundDraw, and it's part of the video editor section. So you can do audio video montages and editing. So you can click on edit a video and start assembling your video. And we also dedicated other video guides in Canva and an entire video course. So you can check in the playlist, you can look for in the channel. If you want also, you have other AI applications that generate music, images, videos, and others that you can find in the playlist. So let's just jump in here so we can use it in the design in Canva. This, we can only use it in Canva, so there's kind of a limit for this, but then we can download the presentation or the video, and perhaps you can use it in other software. So create your account if you then don't have one, and just log in if you have already an account. You can use Google, Facebook, and you can create a new project, or I'm just going to create a new project or use an existing one. I'm sorry the interface is in Italian, but it's really easy to use. And again, there are other videos dedicated in Canva. So if you want to learn Canva, you can check the other videos. So right here, I can use a video model to have something I can use to put the audio. I can also use a blank screen or a black screen. Now you have an audio section here. If you click audio, you can add also like someone speaking. So you can use the microphone, you can use the audio in different ways, you can add more tracks. So I'm gonna add a couple of tracks. So down here you find Sound Draw, and when you open Sound Draw, you can use a style. So you can choose a mood, a genre, and a theme, and then you can hit, well, also the length. So depending on the length of your clip, you can change and adjust the length of the audio and just hit generate. And it will give you a lot of examples, which I think they are like randomly generated by using different sounds, and you can save them as favorites. And if you're not happy, just go back and change the style. So go in the parameters. So I'm going to use epic, acoustic. So maybe you can create something more natural, something more ambient, or something more rhythm with rhythm. And you cannot hear the music because I'm not recording the music, but you will definitely hear it in your computer if you try this out. And everything is on the web. We are not downloading or using anything. Everything is on Canva. So you can use other software for audio video like After Effects, Premiere Pro, Natron. We have many in the channel if you're interested, if you look for them. Now we can also edit here. We can adjust the various parts of the audio track. We can make it more quiet or more extreme or medium. We can change the outro. We can change the various pieces. We can also delete parts of the track or add more pieces in here. So if you click on the plus or the little bin, you can adjust them. Once you're happy with the results, you can just use it in your presentation. So this is the outro here. And let me just, we can also generate more. We're gonna connect with SoundDraw. You need to, I think you need to connect, and you're gonna have like trials, free trials. So just put your email, create your account if you wanna use this. And also, of course, there is pro version as usual. Now, I also looked in the apps and I found some other AI music apps, like for example, AI music or AI sounds generators that you can find here in the apps. So this one here works without logging in or anything. You have other parameters here to change, make it more relaxing, more dark, more bright. You can set the duration and you can generate. And you can see it has generated an audio track for me, and it just put it inside the composition. So that's another option. And then you have others. So my suggestion is try this. I'm gonna try a couple of one with you and show you which one is like free, totally free, and which other is It's not giving you anything unless you join or something similar. So I'm gonna use this. This works like a prompt, like a usual prompt in the AI. So just by typing keywords in this slot, we can generate something. So we hit on generate music, and there you go. So I don't have enough credits for this, so this works buying credits. So probably you will need to pay to use this. So let's check another one. So AI music works, and let's go for the next one. But you see, you have so many. So my suggestion is to try every one of those, see which one works the best for you. Now this is another app, another AI generator. Again, we can describe our music. So I'm just gonna type some keywords like relax, ambient, nature, because I want to create something more, not like a music, but more like, soundscape. You can also click on enhance, and that's gonna improve the text in the description. And you can also reuse this to generate yours. And you can also put here a type of music. So I'm gonna type ambient, and also duration here. Can set up duration. Once we're ready, click on generate, and we now just have to wait for the music to be generated. So you can see there are many options. Some of these are free. Maybe some of these they will give you some free credits, and then when you finish them, you need to buy. You need to create a pro account. Also in Canva, you have free tools and pro tools. And if you're interested, check the Canva video course. And again, there you go. We have the tracks. Now we have two tracks. One is more ambient. One is more musical, like Latin American. You cannot hear it, but I can do it. Now I can add a new track here. Again, it could be just simple white, so that I can use this, record it, and use it. Or it can be another video, and you can make also transition between videos and audios. If you click on the little three dots, you can make the fading. If you click here on this little icon, this is for the fade in, fade out effect. So ease in, ease out, and you can define how it will last in seconds. And so you can also overlap a little bit the two music. You can make more tracks and make them overlapping, mixing them, and using other audio tools here in Canva, or I'm just gonna create a transition here. So I created kind of an audio transition. Now when I create also right-clicking here, a transition for the video. Well, I need another video first, so I'm gonna go here, let me search it. I'm just gonna type video and select one of these. There you go, videos. Gonna drop it in there, drag and drop. And now let's add a transition. You can do it also in the timeline. You can right-click, add, and I'm just gonna add a simple fade, crossfade in this case, and then gonna press play and see if everything is working fine. And it does. It's fading and crossing the videos and the audios. So this will be all for this video guide. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please subscribe to the channel as a supporter, or join as a supporter, and also stay updated for more videos. You can check other courses in the channel about audio editing, video editing, effects, and so on. Thanks for watching. See you in the next.